Namaste. I am Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD in Ayurveda. This video is about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Fenugreek. Subject inputs by Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Description. There are two distinct types of fenugreek available in the market. One is the green-leaved fenugreek, which is included in the green leafy vegetables, and the other one having seeds, which is known in Sanskrit as Ashwabala, the one which imparts strength to the horses. Leaves of fenugreek, which is grown on the seashore or in the sand within 8 to 10 days, are used in the Indian kitchen to prepare dal, vegetables, and chapati. The hulb of fenugreek is about 1.5 feet in height. The flowers are yellow in color, and the fruits are leguminous. Each of the legumes contains 10 to 20 fleshy, thick, and small bean-like seeds, which have a peculiar smell. The seeds are green in color when fresh and turn brownish after drying. Medicinal uses. After delivery complications. The most important use of fenugreek is for the women during the postpartum period, for proper cleansing of the uterus and bowels. It is also effective for backache and enhances lactation. During this period, it is used in the form of sweets prepared by mixing fenugreek seeds, grita, and jaggery, especially in the state of Maharashtra in India. Backache and body pains. For preventing and reducing the symptoms of backache and body ache and promoting strength, the sweets of fenugreek are especially fondly consumed during winter. Obesity and dull complexion. Fenugreek also reduces weight and imparts freshness and glow to the skin. Joint disorders. Powder of fenugreek is used along with grita in the dose of 1 to 2 grams for the diseases of joints. Loose stools with bleeding. In case of hemorrhagic diarrhea, fresh juice of fenugreek leaves should be given along with black resins. Frequent urination. For polyuria, fresh juice of fenugreek leaves should be given along with sugar and powder of the coriander seeds. Abdominal pain due to indigestion. For severe spasmodic pain due to indigestion, powder of fenugreek seeds should be given along with curd. Localized oedema and pain. Paste prepared from the powder of fenugreek and mustard oil is very effective as a local application for localized oedema and pain. Somatic symptoms. Fresh juice of fenugreek leaves is effective in a variety of disorders such as cough, cold, lethargy, body ache, anorexia, and nausea, etc. in the dose of 30 milliliters twice a day. Bronchial asthma. In case of bronchial asthma, powder of fenugreek seeds should be consumed after meals in the dose of 1 gram daily. White discharge. In the cases of white discharge, leukorrhea, the powder of the seeds is wrapped in a sterile cloth and kept in the vagina for some hours. Diabetes. In the case of diabetes mellitus, even in mild cases, the fresh juice of the leaves should be taken in the dose of 30 milliliters once in the morning. Also, cold infusion of the seeds along with honey is effective in the dose of 30 milliliters thrice daily. A word of caution. Fenugreek should not be consumed in excess, even in the form of food recipes. It is contraindicated in patients with hyperacidity and gastritis. Also, diabetes cannot be controlled or cured only by consuming fenugreek. Hence, all the other medication prescribed by a qualified physician should be consulted. For further information, please visit our website www.murlimanohar.com, Raksha Ayurvedalaya, CBCID Colony, Hadar Nagar, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Phones 9177445454, 9246575510.
Okay, I'm signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe this channel. Shatam Jiva, Sardo Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.